5 mysterious natural phenomena you won't believe exist. Ready for some mind-blowing facts about the world around us? Well, you're in the right place. First, the secret of bioluminescent bays. Have you ever heard of a glowing bay? There's a place in Puerto Rico called Mosquito Bay, and it's the brightest bioluminescent bay in the world. At night, the water lights up in an eerie blue-green glow. So, how does this happen? Well, it's caused by tiny organisms called dinoflagellates. When they're disturbed by movement in the water, they glow. This creates a natural light show that looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Wouldn't it be amazing to swim in waters that light up as you move? Second, the sailing stones of Death Valley. Now, let's head to a desert for a strange mystery, the sailing stones of Death Valley. These large rocks seem to move on their own, leaving long trails behind them in the dry desert floor. But the thing is, no one could figure out how they move until recently. Turns out, it's a combination of ice, wind, and water. The rocks are pushed across the ground when the ice sheets melt just enough to create the perfect conditions for them to slide across the surface. It's still pretty wild to think that nature can make rocks move all on their own. Third, the everlasting lightning storm in Venezuela. This one's a real jaw-dropper. In Venezuela, there's a place called Lake Maracaibo, and it's home to the longest-lasting lightning storm in the world. It happens almost every night, with lightning striking the same area over 200 times per hour. It's called Catatumbo Lightning, and it's an incredible natural phenomenon. But why does it happen? It's caused by a unique combination of weather patterns in the area, including high mountains and warm air. It's almost like nature's own light show. Fourth, the moving trees of the Amazon rainforest. Have you ever heard of walking trees? In the Amazon rainforest, there's a species of tree called the Socratea exoryza, and it can actually move, but not in the way you might think. These trees don't walk like humans or animals, but their roots grow in such a way that they can slowly shift their position, sometimes moving several inches a year. This ability helps the trees find better soil for growing, but it's so cool to think about trees having this kind of mobility in one of the most vibrant ecosystems on Earth. Number 5. The fish on a beach. If you ever see a lot of fish on the beach, run away as fast as you can. Don't try to catch them like some people do. I say this because it usually happens when a storm is coming or a big shark is chasing the small fish and they come to the shore to escape. Sometimes there might even be dangerous jellyfish mixed in with the fish, which can sting you to save others' lives. And there you have it, 5 of the most mysterious and amazing natural phenomena that prove the world we live in is anything but boring.